You're being arrested for driving while intoxicated. So yes.
Turn around. Back face me. I'm gonna double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, okay? Bear with me.
I'm fine. You don't need to hold it.
I don't want you falling over.
On December 28th, 2025, officers responded to a hit and run in an urban parking area. This footage raises 3 distinct legal issues. First, obstruction of justice. Second, the constitutional boundary between voluntary statements and the right to silence. Third, NHTSA, field sobriety test compliance, and its evidentiary weight.
Yeah, the damage is only the license plate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We just need license, registration, and insurance and all that stuff.
It's all in the car.
All right, come on.
I could just freely go home, hopefully.
You what?
I could just freely go home.
Yeah, just need your registration and insurance for the car.
It's all in the car.
Yeah, okay. You can get it.
You do. Oh, okay. Frozen. I don't drive, so I wasn't planning on driving. I came out because I saw it get crashed into.
9601.
Wait, your car was crashed into?
Operator's going to be
Yeah,
a 310.
Who was driving?
I just saw it outside.
Huh?
Vehicle
I
2,
saw that it was I wasn't driving.
Jersey Mike 34.
This car backed into that car, right?
That's been parked by the vehicle here.
I saw that it got crashed into it, and then I came out to leave. So.
Okay, well, we still need all your stuff to do an accident report.
Just confirming vehicle 2 is Mike 34 uniform Echo Whiskey.
Do you not know where the stuff
Jersey
is?
Mike 34 uniform.
Whose car is it?
Fine, but I just purchased it maybe a few months ago.
Do you have car insurance?
Yeah.
Is it, I mean, I don't know where you keep it.
I don't know where I put it, to be honest.
What did they say? She backed into that car?
The only thing I asked him was to confirm that it was.
I think this is probably this is the best I have. But I'm very I'm a very secure person, so I like to have everything.
Wait, so I don't understand. You're saying that somebody else got in this car and moved it?
No, I'm saying that everything was fine, and then we were heading back home, and then my friend was gonna drive home, and then everything
Well, where's your friend?
in that car.
She backed into that car.
Yeah.
Well, where's she at? We need her.
Well, it's fine. I backed into it. I'm gonna take responsibility.
Who's driving the car?
Who really did it? Who was driving this car?
Me.
Okay, well, why are you saying your friend?
I'm gonna take responsibility.
Oh, I don't understand why. Are you driving, or is it somebody else driving that's in the bar?
No one. No one was taking responsibility, so
Who was in this car and backed into that car?
neither me or my friend, to be honest.
Well, somebody got in this car and it moved. So
Yeah.
who is in the car?
Me or my friend, but neither of us are taking responsibility. Okay, yeah, myself.
There's only one answer. Somebody was in the driver's seat of this car and backed into that car.
Okay.
Who was in the driver's seat of this
Me.
car? Okay.
Yeah.
I don't understand why you're being...
Passenger in the car?
No. Yeah, and I'm heading back home, so.
I don't understand why it's a hard question. It's not a hard question.
It is a hard question, because if you actually ask for an answer,
I don't even understand what you're trying to tell me.
I think it becomes complicated because I'm also a doctor, and then it makes myself complicated. So I don't want to be
Okay, step over here.
it makes things more complicated because I don't want to yeah.
All right, come over the sidewalk.
I want it to be worse than it has to be.
Well, you're not being honest with me.
But I think
These bouncers know whose car this is? It's a big Dubuque.
They don't know. They don't know.
It is very cold.
it's very cold. I always park right here every single weekend. So.
Sorry, can we see if they have cameras that cover here?
I spent.
No, I mean, she said she was trying to get out and she backed into it. We just need to figure out whose car that is.
I actually go home every weekend. It's this is a normal thing for me. So.
Okay.
We're just doing the car accident right now.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to decide if you're driving and you backed into his car, or you say your friend was. So I need your answer of what's going on.
I mean, I don't think that like anything happens wrong. So
It's just minor. That's why I don't understand why you just don't tell me what's happening.
I don't understand either.
Under vehicle 2.
How do you not understand?
Jersey plate.
There's probably a camera right here, and if you're not honest, then
I definitely didn't do anything wrong. I just think that like
oh look, somebody backed into that little car right there.
it was not me.
Was it this car?
For that damage, no. Definitely not.
How do you think so?
For me, for that damage, because it had to be extreme.
No, it doesn't. Well, there's a mark right on your bumper.
Oh, well then maybe you're right then.
Okay. How much did you have to drink?
I had 2 martinis. And I wasn't planning on driving home, so I was going to stay here and Uber, so
Well, then how'd the car move?
my friend.
See, you keep saying that. Who is in the car driving? If you're not honest, then we're going to move further here.
I'm not going to tell you who was going to drive the car home.
Well, somebody was in this car and drove into that car.
I know, and I'm not going to tell you who, because that looks worse on me.
The subject provided officers with 4 materially inconsistent accounts of who operated the vehicle. Under most state obstruction statutes, knowingly providing false information during an active accident investigation is a criminal offense, not a social inconvenience. Courts distinguish clearly between 2 protected rights: the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, and the act of affirmatively providing false or misleading statements to law enforcement. The former is constitutionally protected. The latter exposes a subject to additional criminal liability. The subject explicitly stated she would not identify the driver because, in her own words, that looks worse on me. This is not an exercise of constitutional rights. This is consciousness of guilt, and courts treat it as such. The subject also voluntarily admitted to consuming 2 martinis. That admission was not compelled. No Miranda warning is required for pre-arrest. Non-custodial questioning during a traffic investigation, as established in Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, 1984. Roadside questioning during an accident investigation does not constitute custodial interrogation. The subject had every right to say nothing. She chose to speak. Every word she said became admissible evidence.
We can go about this a couple different ways.
Oh God.
They only really escalate from here.
Yeah, I know. I'm a dentist. I do teeth. I'm in this area, so I really can't. I don't want to look bad, so.
What do you mean you don't want to look bad?
Somebody drove into that car.
I know.
It's a minor accident, and all it would be an accident report. But with you being dishonest with us,
I know.
then we can escalate things. So this could be over in 2 minutes, or we can go get a camera and figure out who was driving.
Just say it was me.
We're going to look at the cameers. Was it you or was it not you?
It was me or my friend. It was one of the 2 of us, so.
How do you not know?
I know. There's a lot of things going on.
I mean, so this is like a traffic offense?
Yeah.
You could be getting into a criminal offense?
No, it's definitely not criminal.
It is if you lie to us about a basic question.
No, I'm not lying.
You are lying. You're saying, I don't know if I was driving or somebody else was driving.
Because I can't remember. You guys are asking a lot of questions.
We're just trying to figure out who was driving this car that backed into that car. It's not a hard question.
It was me. It's freezing.
Are you afraid about getting a ticket or something?
I am, yeah, because I'm like a dentist in this town, and it's like very.
It's a minor accident. We don't write tickets for this.
Just do SFST. I'm going to ask him to look at the camera.
222.
Are you going to look at that, like review the camera quick? She won't tell us if she was driving.
She was certainly driving.
Oh, she was driving.
100%. We both watched her. We watched her get in the vehicle, absolutely. 1,000,000,000% she got in the vehicle. Yeah, no, she definitely drunk, definitely got in the vehicle. I said to him when she left here, I was like, it was either me or she got right in the car. I was like, oh my God, she's going to hit that fucking Raptor in front of her.
Yeah.
Instead, she
backed into the car.
Bow! Immediately, I'm like, yo, Bubba.
It was pretty
I'm like, yo, get her out of the car. I was like, ma'am, you've been in an accident. Step out of the car, please. I was like, yo, Bubba, grab them keys out of the ignition. Right. And then that's the whole thing. I called
we didn't let her leave.
Do
you just have your license on so I can use you as a witness that she was driving?
Yeah, no doubt.
Because she won't tell us that she was driving.
Well, yeah.
And we know she was.
Oh, absolutely.
212.
Just
really
call it
good
out.
friend-
She's
my really good
get
friends
contacted for
together,
that.
State trooper, so like also said me.
Okay.
I have negative contact information for the owner of vehicle 2.
My best friend Francis is like a
Maz,
state
I'm
trooper
gonna
in the town.
take over there for SFST.
Okay.
I just don't want any foot traffic getting in the way.
Okay.
All right, come across the street with me, okay? Just go right over here towards this car. All right, that's good right there for now.
An independent witness, a security bouncer with direct line of sight, provided unequivocal testimony, identifying the subject as the vehicle operator. He stated he watched her enter the driver's seat and observed the collision in real time. He intervened to prevent the vehicle from leaving the scene. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Reasonable, articulable suspicion justifies investigative detention. Independent corroborating witness testimony, combined with voluntary alcohol admission, elevated that threshold to probable cause for a DWI arrest. Officers administered all 3 NHTSA standardized field sobriety tests: horizontal gaze, nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand. The governing legal standard is substantial compliance, not strict compliance. Minor procedural deviations do not automatically invalidate test results. However, NHTSA protocol specifically recommends offering subjects the option to remove elevated footwear before the walk and turn test. That offer is not documented on camera. Defense counsel will raise this. A court will weigh it against the totality of the evidence. The subject disclosed recent surgical procedure affecting her core stability. Officers acknowledged the disclosure procedurally correct. However, that disclosure creates a viable challenge to the one-leg stand results specifically. Absent corroborating HGN findings, the arrest might be more contestable.
You can come towards me, face me, all right?
My really good friend is a state trooper in Margate.
Okay, all right.
Look, we're beyond all that.
Yeah. So at this point now, with you saying you were the one driving and everything like that,
Yeah.
I just want to check to make sure that you're okay to even operate. What's that? You want to go back here? No, this way then. This way. All right, I'm just gonna run you through some tests, okay?
Yeah.
Make sure that you're gonna drive, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any issues with your eyes?
No.
Any recent head injuries? Anything affecting your balance, your ability to walk, anything along those lines? Are you wearing contacts right now?
Yes.
Okay, I'll keep that in consideration, okay? Can you see the tip of my pen?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes. Your eyes only, do not move your head. All right?
Let me know when you're ready to check out.
Okay.
64777227220782 with bouncers at tomatoes.
Crazy.
Be sure to get the tags to both vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Just the view will come back to. We're going to try to locate the owner.
Comes back to Hassan,
Keep following the tip of my pen.
out of Brigantine.
Same thing, I'm gonna go up and down, okay? Again, no issues with your balance, no issues walking, nothing like that. You got heels on them? Okay.
Heels, yes,
All right.
correct.
Are you comfortable with walking in them?
Sure.
Okay. All right, so the next test is going to be the walk and turn test, okay? So what I want you to do, stand with your feet together. All right, arms down your side. All right, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps out in front of you. You're going to take a series of small steps, turn around, take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, okay? I'm going to demonstrate it to you. I want you to maintain that position until I tell you to begin, okay? It's going to look like this, okay? Take your...
Real quick. For the starting position, right, hands down at your side. Just pay attention. Hands down at your side. Put your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Okay? Arms down at your side. Right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Maintain that position until he's done instructing you on the...
Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the test for you, okay?
Yes.
So again, your left foot in that line. Right foot in front of that, touching heel to toe. You take a series of 9 steps, heel to toe, down that line, okay? That imaginary line out in front of you, okay? So look like this. 1, 2, 3. When you get to that 9th step, keep that front foot planted. Take a series of small steps, rotating yourself around that foot. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back in that same manner, okay? 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until the test is completed, okay? You're going to look down at your feet the entire time. You're going to count out loud, keeping your arms down to your side. And once the test begins, do not stop until the test is complete. Do you understand? Go back into that starting position. Just as Officer Mazio instructed you.
Right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. With your heel touching your toe. Do you want him to explain the instructions one more time? It's very important.
Do you understand? I can re-explain if you want me to. You're taking, all right, get back in that starting position, okay? So arms down at your side with your left foot on that imaginary line, that right foot in front of your left foot touching heel to toe, okay? You're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps along that imaginary line. Once you get to that 9th step, you're gonna take that series of small steps as I demonstrated to you, and you're gonna turn around, take 9 heel to toe steps back. Again, you're gonna look down at your feet, you're gonna count out loud, keeping your arms down at your side, and once the test starts, do not end the test until it's complete. Do you understand?
Got it.
Okay, whenever you're comfortable, you may begin.
Where are you going? Did you demonstrate it?
I did, just as instructed. How many steps are you going to take? As instructed, I told you to take 9 heel to toe steps along that imaginary line. Right?
Do it again.
All right, we'll get you back in that starting position. Just stop for a second. Get you back in that starting position, okay? Just as instructed, left foot on that imaginary line, right foot in front of that, touching heel to toe, arms down to your side. You're gonna look down at your feet. You're gonna take 9 steps along that imaginary line. Once you reach that final step, again, keep that front foot planted. Take a series of small steps, turn yourself around. You're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps back along that imaginary line. All right? Improper turn.
You demonstrate heel to toe steps?
Yes.
I freeze to death.
Next test.
It's cold.
Next test is going to be the one-legged stand, okay?
Oh god.
I want you to stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. That's going to be a starting position, okay? Yeah, no issues with balance, anything like that, right?
No.
All right.
It's freezing.
So you
And I
can.
just had my boobs on a week ago, so
Okay.
it's surgery.
All right. Gotcha. All right. So again, I'll demonstrate the test for you, but I'm going to explain it first, okay? So you're going to pick one foot, either foot of your choosing. You're going to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground. All right? It's about the height of a soda can. You're keep that foot parallel to the ground, okay? Not like this pointing up, like that, parallel to the ground, okay? you're going to count in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay. All right. I'll demonstrate for you. Okay. So again, feet together, arms down your side. Either foot of your choosing. Lift it up off the ground, approximately 6 inches. 1001, 1002.
Wait till he tells you to start.
So on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Okay. It's important to remember, keep your arms down your side, keep that foot elevated parallel to the ground, 6 inches off the ground. Okay, you're going to look down at that foot and count out loud in the manner that I described to you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you may begin.
1, 2,
Foot parallel to the ground.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You can stop.
You already did this, but just put your hands by your side. Follow the tip of my pen with your eyes, and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? You understand?
Got it.
Follow the tip of my pen.
I'm following. Had surgery
When?
a week ago.
Okay. Put your arms at your side. Follow the tip of my pen. Don't move your head. Keep your head pointed at me and just follow with your eyes, okay?
Freeze to death.
Did you get it all? Did you get nystagmus?
Yes.
All right.
That.
Do you have a phone anywhere? Is there a phone in the car? Do you have a phone in your purse? Do you need anything out of your car?
Probably in my car, yeah.
Your what?
No, I don't have it with me.
Your phone?
No.
Is it in the car?
Probably, yeah.
Where are your car keys?
Probably with my friend in the car in Maynard.
Who's your friend?
Devin Hassiter.
All right. Well, we need to get the keys to your car, and you need your phone. Your phone's in your car. Did we take pictures of the damage and everything?
I think that's got it.
It's that extreme.
You're being arrested for driving while intoxicated. So yes.
She's the RO for that car too.
Okay.
So
Just, can you grab this first?
Let me hold your purse, please.
Yeah.
It's going to stay with you, okay? Good. Turn around, back face me.
We were safe. You can shoes out for testing.
Tell Francis while he's on.
CR2 to 2.
Done.
That driver
was given SFST. Custody.
DWI. I gotta find the key.
Received.
I'm going to double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, okay? Bear with me. Wait, I don't want you falling over.
this is something that you did.
All right, we're gonna go over to this car over here. Turn around. I got you. You're not coming out. Go over this car over here, okay?
I'm fine. Do I need to hold?
I don't want you falling over. That's it.
I'm fine.
I know, but I gotta hold on to you. I can't have you falling over. You're in handcuffs.
I'm fine on my own though. On all get down ass.
I know. I'm not saying you are. All right, hang tight right here so I can lock the door. Watch your hand here.
Here's all her documents.
Didn't mean to do that.
I'll just put this right in the front seat.
All right.
See if she'll call her friend so we can get her key.
All right.
See if she can call her friend and let him.
She's already in there, so.
Do you want to call your friend? Alright. Here you go. Alright.
Got me a lot of trouble.
Hey! 22 to District 2. Female was placed in custody for 450. She was handcuffed in the rear, double locked, checked for proper application, placed in the rear seat of car 22, seatbelted in. Rear seat of car 22, checks clear. Prior to placement, stand by for my starting mileage, route to 1.
Crazy.
You're choosing a rail and seeing the hook.
Crazy.
District 2, my starting mileage is 13286.3.
Crazy.
Checks are negative. You receive.
District 2. 90 up, please. Ending 13286.6.
Crazy.
Can you help out? You need a hand?
Keep the cancel better.
We're gonna go in here, okay?
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna take one of these off you, okay?
Yeah, we'll let you adjust yourself.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
I don't know that. Some people are left-handed.
Losers.
Oh, thank God.
You have a seat for me? Right behind you. Keep this on. Right over here. Come on. You gotta move back a little bit here.
Hang up to a wall.
Can you have a seat for me, please? Right, I'm gonna grab her documents.
You got 20-minute observation and the standard statement. And then just make sure all your electronics are off.
Yeah. Take all that off right in there.
The Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor, 490 U. Wells, 386, 1989, held that the reasonableness of any arrest must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. At the moment of arrest, the officer possessed one, a direct eyewitness placing the subject in the driver's seat. 2. A voluntary admission of alcohol consumption. 3. Multiple observable SFST performance indicators. That constellation satisfies probable cause under any reasonable standard. Primary officer receives a B+. The investigation was methodical and professionally conducted. The probable cause chain was properly constructed. However, failure to document the footwear accommodation offer on camera creates an unnecessary evidentiary gap that competent defense counsel will exploit. The subject receives a D. She had a constitutionally protected right to remain silent. She did not exercise it. She provided false statements, admitted to alcohol consumption, and explicitly acknowledged withholding material information from officers. Every voluntary statement she made strengthened the prosecution's case against her. The independent witness receives an A. His testimony was the pivotal link connecting the subject to the driver's seat. His immediate intervention to preserve the scene and prevent departure reflects exactly the kind of civic engagement that makes these investigations prosecutable. The lesson here is direct. When law enforcement contacts you in connection with a vehicle incident, you have one constitutionally sound option. Identify yourself as required by state law. Provide your license and registration, and say nothing further without an attorney present. The Fifth Amendment does not require silence to protect you. It only protects you if you actually use it. Voluntary statements, even partial ones, are admissible. Inconsistent voluntary statements are devastating, and explicit admissions are irreversible. Professional status physician, attorney, dentist carries zero legal weight during a criminal investigation. Invoking it signals to officers a desire for preferential treatment, and signals to a jury a consciousness of entitlement. Neither helps a defendant. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.